Hey guys, it's Neil from N.P. Detailing. I'm here at F1 Auto Centre on Abbey Lane in Leicester. Today I'm going to be doing 4 carbon cleans, and let's take a walk around. This is a car I'm working on, 2 litre Ford Focus. There's the machine, all rigged up, it's all plugged in. I've got 4 cars to do today. Bit noisy in the background, I know. So yeah, got going in for the air intake there. And I'll show you some of the other cars I'm going to be doing. So yeah, this is a garage. So yeah, cool. Right, second car, we've got this Volvo 1.6 litre engine, and it's got how many miles on the clock? Let's have a look. 134,000 on the clock, so should make a difference. It says it's sluggish, losing power, running like crap basically. So yeah, sorry about the air gun. Yeah, second car Volvo. Sorry about the noise in the background, I am in the garage. So yeah, let's see what the customers say about it. Right, this is the third car, VW Golf 1.9 TDI remapped to 170 brake, I think it is. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear me, but there's a lot of background noise. 8 amps, ample enough for 1 hour, and yeah, this is F1 Auto Centre in Abbey Street, Leicester. They've asked me to come down today, do a few carbon cleans for the lads, mechanics here. Obviously they know it's a positive thing, and they're loving the results. The manager's car did extra PHP, more responsive. So yeah, so this I believe is the third car, 1 more after this and we're done. Right, on the last carbon cleaner today at F1 Autos. Been here 5 hours. The last car is a Land Rover Freelander. Nice eyelashes. With the air intake. No guess who the owner is. So yeah, F1 Autos, Leicester, thanks for having us. Don't forget, they do MOTs, brakes, exhaust, servicing, head gaskets, tyres and everything. And they've obviously accommodated N.P. Detailing today as well. So I'll be doing carbon cleans, I'm sure, in future here. So you can catch me on the next job, which, believe it or not, is another carbon clean this evening. So don't forget to hit subscribe. For info, npdetailing@gmail.com. Give us an email, give us a shout. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, NP Detailing, and it's N.P.Detailing. You're going to find it. And give us a like if you like what we're doing. And don't forget to hit subscribe on YouTube, which this video will be going on to. So I'll catch you again shortly.
Hi guys, Joe from Formula One Auto Centres in Leicester, down on Abbey Lane. Just want to say a big thank you to N.P. Detailing for coming down and doing quite a bit of work with carbon cleaning. There's some bits on the lad's cars today. He's done a top job, absolute brilliant bloke. Definitely recommend him for any of the bits that you need like that, especially with detailing as well. He covers most things like that. Obviously I just want to put it out there as well, is any sort of vehicle in needs that you require, any of your servicing, we're major on servicing, MOTs, very busy all the time. We get a lot of customers, we get a lot of good feedback all around Leicester. We are probably one of the busiest garages within the Midlands area. Is there any things that you need, any tyres, any brakes, suspension work, repairs, MOTs, servicing, come and hit us up at Abbey Lane, Leicester, Formula One. We'll give you a good service and we'll look after you.